The hills of Zelway were shaking again, not from marching trolls or misfired spells, but from snoring sunflowers. Azrael the elf hiked to the sunflower summit where hundreds of giant sentient blooms were fast asleep, and snoring so loud it knocked hats off in neighboring towns. He tried clapping, no response. He played the kazoo, just made them snore in harmony. Then he remembered sunflowers wake only to compliments. So Azrael stood tall and shouted, "Your petals are more radiant than moonlight in a lemonade storm." One eye cracked open. "Your stems are stronger than ogre hugs." A few more stirred. Finally he yelled, "Your pollen could win poetry contests." They yawned, blinked, and stretched, slowly waking and giggling. The summit stopped rumbling. Zelway was safe, and Azrael he left with a bouquet and a pollen-induced sneeze that echoed across the realm.